Here's how to return Amazon items. Now open up the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android, or go to Amazon.com on a computer. The first thing we need to do is go to and navigate to your previous orders to return one of them. So to do that, the easiest way is to tap on the three lines at the very bottom right and tap on orders. You can also just tap on the little person at the bottom left here, and then from here at the top left, go to orders. So now we're on your orders. You need to navigate to that specific order that you want to return. Let's say I'm going to scroll down here and this test drinking water kit I want to return. Now keep in mind on here, Amazon usually gives you 30 days to return something. So you can see this was delivered October 17th. So it is less than 30 days. So I can return this. Keep in mind, if you cannot return it, keep in mind, I'll show you an example where I can't return something. Let's scroll down. I make a lot of orders on Amazon. Let's say I wanted to return this. I can tap on it and you can see on here, or this one says I can return it still. So basically just go on here. If any of these say that you cannot return them, just go in here, and a trick to be able to return it is just to contact Amazon support and say, hey, I know it's past the 30-day window, but I want to return it anyway. Now let's go through the process of returning this. Let's tap on return or replace items. Now from here, it'll pop up with a reason why. I like to say no longer needed or whatever appropriate is on why you're returning it. And you can choose on here whether it has been opened and the product has been used. And you can just say something like, don't need it anymore. Now, after you've done that, let's hit continue. After you've gone through this entire things, you can enter that in again. Sometimes it asks you twice. Now on here, it will ask you, do you want tech support? But I just want to continue to the return options at the very bottom. Now on here, it'll ask you, do you want a refund to your Amazon account, or do you want a refund to the credit card or debit card that you used? I usually choose the Visa that I have my credit card. So I'm going to hit continue. Now, after you've done that, it usually defaults to say, how would you like to return your items? You can return it through Whole Foods, just basically take it to a Whole Foods. You usually don't need to package it up. You don't need to do anything, just show them the QR code that's emailed to you and essentially use that QR code and just hand them the item. You can also sometimes take it to Staples or UPS, or you can drop it off through UPS, but sometimes it does cost money to do some of these options. So you can see, all right, I'm going to choose this free option and then go down and hit confirm your return. Now, all I have to do is take that specific item and take it to Whole Foods or wherever you chose to take it. And keep in mind from here, all they're going to do is scan this QR code. So just have that QR code and have them scan it at that specific store, UPS, FedEx, Amazon, or a Whole Foods, any of those. And then from there, they will process it, take it, ship it back to Amazon, and you'll get your refund, usually within a day or two.